beim Yoga immer volle Power. Waiting for you, strawberries, lingerie. I know I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be like all the time. So you would think a beauty YouTuber has makeup lying around in their room? Bitch, no! I got noodles! What's up, guys? It feels weird not to start with hello everyone, so I'm just gonna start with hello everyone. Welcome back to my noodles. This is not sponsored. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I wish it was. So Jeffree did send me his Thirsty collection, and I'm so freaking excited about this collection. I mean, I'm always excited about his collection. He still sends me his stuff, so thank you so much, Jeffree. I really appreciate it. But enough talking, let's dive into the review. The Thirsty collection is his new summer collection, and it contains this beautiful Thirsty palette, 3 new lip scrubs, and 8 new liquid lipsticks. Ooh, that's a lot. My lips are gonna die. So first off, of course, we're gonna dive into the Thirsty palette. It looks like this. Just some thoughts about the packaging in general. I think it's really refreshing, and it does say summer. They're like little raindrops on the cover. I mean, they're not real. They're like in the packaging, but it does look really refreshing and just like a popsicle. The palette has 15 shades, 10 matte shades and 5 glittery shades, and this yellow is screaming my name so loudly. So let's get into it. Hello. Let's get a little closer so you can see what I'm doing on my ass. First off, I will be going in with this pink, with this yellow eyeshadow called Quench. Whew, I'm scared of all the names in this collection. Wrong pronunciation incoming. And I'm going in with like a clean blending brush. It is a little stained from the eyeshadow before, so don't mind that. It is clean though. There is a lot on this brush. Okay. It is not like super pigmented. Maybe I should use another brush. So when I applied it first, I was like, okay, but the color is very buildable. So I think yellow is just one of those colors you have to build up. I'm just gonna take the color Beach now, and I'm just gonna apply it on the outer half of my eye. It's actually blending into the yellow super nicely. Yeah, this is a really beautiful shade. Also, Jeffree said that he approved his matte formulas. I can definitely see there's like almost no fallout. I mean, with the yellow shade, there was fallout because I had to pack it on like a lot. But this shade, there is no fallout, guys. Like absolutely no fallout. The fuck? I think I'm gonna drag it like down here a little bit. Okay, so there is like a little bit of fallout. A little bit. I'm glad there is, because otherwise I would be scared. By the way, don't mind my nails. They're still recovering from my acrylics and they still look horrible. Next I'm going in with Drizzle to darken it a little bit. Ooh, hello? Hello? Okay, I can't really see Drizzle. I mean, that's the color Drizzle, and where is it on my eye though? It does show up, but it's like only like making the color Beach look cool toned and not darker. I'm just gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape to cut my crease like halfway. And while that is still wet, I'm gonna go in with the shade Divine, this beautiful silvery shade. I mean, it does actually work pretty well with the brush. Wow, this shade is amazing. Also, the shade is so soft and so buttery. That's amazing because they still maintain in the pan and don't fall out. Concerning this topic, I gotta say something. When I did my last review, it was about the Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette, and her glitter shades just fell out of the pan. The shades, they were like everywhere, like just sprinkled on my table and just lying on the floor and just everywhere. Then I got like so much comments from you saying,
oh my god, you did drop the palette at the beginning.
I did not drop the palette, I dropped the box of the palette. Why the hell would I drop a palette, put it in the video, and afterwards say,
oh my god, the shades fell out.
if I would even do such thing, which would be totally nuts. Why the hell would I put it in the video so you can hate on me? And now can we talk about this beautiful silvery shade again? But I didn't wet the brush, so if you would wet it, it would be even more pigmented and beautiful, but why wet it if it works as well if it's dry?
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna go with my finger in first. Wow. Looks so freaking stunning. So let's go in on the lower lash line, and of course I'm gonna go in with that shade right here, Submerged. Woo, that is blue.
Blue.
And I think I'm gonna use Splash to blend it out like a little bit. Oh god, oh god. Scheiße. Das ist ein bisschen doll. I'm just considering right now if I should use a liquid lipstick as my eyeliner. I think I want to use this one. I'm just going to use Coral Fixation as my eyeliner, and I hope it's going to look good. Oh, she's bright. Oh god. Oh, I love this look so far. Okay, let me just quickly pop on some lashes and then I'll be back. Woo! Lashes are on. So we got three more lip scrubs. That is orange gum. Nothing happened. One of them is orange Gummybear. Then we have pink lemonade and rainbow sherbet. Let's see which one I like the most this time. So this is rainbow sherbet. This reminds me of something. I don't know, Jeffree's lip scrubs always remind me of a smell I once smelled at some point in my childhood. Let's try this. Girl, that shit is good. Okay, next we have orange Gummybear. This tastes like my shampoo. It smells good though, but maybe you shouldn't eat it. Okay, last one, pink lemonade, and it is certainly not pink. Well, it's okay. Maybe you just shouldn't eat it. But they're edible, so don't come at me. Okay, let's get to the great part of the video, the lip swatches. Ah, my fave.
Me lips are gonna die.
So as I said, we've got 8 liquid lipsticks. So first off, the lightest shade out of the collection is Soft Serve. It's like this pinky light nude. Ooh. It definitely looks way darker in the bottle, and it is a little streaky, I gotta say. And it does feel very dry on the lips. I feel like a little drier than all his other lipsticks so far. I also think this color is not for me. Okay, next one is the other lightest shade in the collection, but the metallic one, which is called Thirst Trap. I'm really curious about this one. Damn. This shade is so freaking reflective. That's an eye catcher, I would say. I mean, the color is very interesting. It's like a champagne, pinky, soft gold. I don't know, but it looks so cool. I really like the shade, and I also think that is like the best metallic formula he ever had. Okay, next shade is 818, which is apparently the area code of Calabasas. Who knew that? I didn't. Okay. He said that this is like the little sister of Calabasas, and the formula should be better than the old one. So let's see. So this shade went on super easily at the beginning, but I gotta say that it is a little streaky. Like, can you see it like right here? It is a little streaky, yeah, definitely. It's so freaking bright, I can't even handle it. Let's do the fourth one, and that is Coral Fixation. This bright orange, which I'm also wearing on my lid. I mean, as my eyeliner on my lid, yes. I missed the tube. Oh, girl. Oh. This color freaking blew me away. I absolutely adore it, and I did not think I would. It also looks so cool with the eye look because, well, obviously I use it as my eyeliner today. It also applied so easily, not streaky at all. I am in freaking love. That was a really cute shade, but let's carry on with the glittery ones or metallic ones or whatever. This one is called Fudge Pop. I fucked up. This goes on really nicely. Let's just wait until it's dry. That's awkward. Jeffree said in his reveal video that if you rub it, then like the glitter flakes will show up more. So let's rub our lips. Actually, I think he's right, like the glitter flakes show up more, but also I rubbed off a little bit of lipstick like right here. It's not like super glittery, but I think like in the sun you would see like those little glitter flakes way better than in my ring light. But yeah, it's a cute shade. It was very easy to apply. Let's do another glittery one, and that is actually this one. It's called Yummy, and it's also like a burnt orange shade. Let's see if we can do the same trick. I feel like you can definitely see the glitter flakes on this one way better. It looks very interesting also with the glitter. I really like it. Let's do a Cherry Wet now, which is this color. This color is also very pretty. I like it a lot. I think the orange one is still my favorite. The orange one looked better with my eye look. This is a little bit too pink, but I still love it. It is gorgeous. Okay, the last liquid lipstick is this one, Huntington Beach. It looks promising. That's all I gotta say. I thought this would be my favorite shade out of all of them, but it's not. It looks very similar to Mermaid Blood, and I love that one, but this one, I don't know if it's the eye look. I don't really love this one. I mean, I don't hate it. It just doesn't go with the eye look, I think. But still, it really reminds me of the shade Mermaid Blood, so I pulled that one out and that one. And we're just gonna do 2 swatches to compare these two because, oh, my hand is so dirty. The left one is Huntington Beach and the right one is Mermaid Blood. So apparently Mermaid Blood is a little darker than Huntington Beach, but they do look very similar. I think we're done. Let's do my final thoughts. I never thought that it'd be so simple. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, so let's talk about the Thirsty palette first. I did really like the shades I used, except this one. This one didn't really show up on my eyelid. I don't know why. It did show up when I swatched it with my finger, but I just couldn't see it on my eyelid. It was weird. But Beach and Quench were beautiful on my eyes, as well as Divine. This one, it was just... Girl. Oh, I can't handle this. Oh, I dropped something. Also, those two were amazing on my lower lash line. I love you. So Jeffree said he improved the formula of the matte shades so there wouldn't be that much fallout, and I definitely have to say he did improve his formula. I don't know if I like the application better than the other ones before, but there's definitely less fallout, so props to that. So all in all, I really like this palette, except this shade. Okay, let's get to the liquid lipsticks. I gotta say, he improved his formula for the metallic lipsticks. I really liked this one, Thirst Trap, better than all of the other metallic shades he released before that. Yeah, I really like this one. I gotta say that the light ones out of this collection were a little streaky. but these were not my favorites anyway. These two are definitely my favorites, especially the orange one. I am in love with this one. Also, those two are the best ones formula wise, I can tell you that. I also really like the shady Yummy because it's something different, it's something new with the glitter flakes in it. The only thing is that you could feel the glitter flakes on your lips. I was okay with this one and I was okay with that one. I love the formula of this one, but I'm just not crazy about the color with this eye look right now. But the formula was amazing and the formula of this one I liked as well. I hope that was enough feedback and final thoughts about this collection. I'm just gonna go eat some of the lip scrubs now. I'm so hungry. Wow, my lips are dead. That means it's over. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.